Bruh,
Hey, bro, we
I just want
live,
to thank Brown though for this night, dog. It would never happen, dog.
Leaving these lies hurt. Crazy how trouble PNB and Takeoff had to die first. For y'all celebrities to admit this shit done fucked us up. But instead of labor money to cover expenses, we doing fish fries.
Oh my God!
Nigga, did it going again, nigga? That was hot.
Go Texas, boys!
All the way from Texas, nigga. Y'all playing too much.
Yet again, nigga, another kill.
Fuck Texas! Back out! Fuck Texas!
Where's the call?
Fuck Texas!
Nothing, nigga.
Hey, no, fuck Texas! Where you at? Fuck Texas!
Turn that bitch up. Hey, I'm gonna motivate you real quick. ZL1. Let's go, baby.
Call me to Danny.
Where Danny at? It has been insane. What Texas? Nigga, look at this nigga.
I am drenched, bro.
Bruh. Man, I'm sorry, but hey, Dallas, you won that shit.
Dallas won it, bro.
Dallas, you won that
Texas
shit.
won it, bro.
Yet again. And wait, where he from? Louisiana and Dallas. Y'all boys took that shit home, bro. Y'all took that shit home. Hey, matter of fact, tell Danny to get that nigga to 4500 because his engine just locked up. He gonna need it, yeah. That shit was wild, bro. That's a hybrid?
No, Danny, still going again.
Bro, it's time to go. It's time to go. What happened? Hey, the nigga said, I want my phone, bro. It's time to go. What is Danny doing? Hey, this shit is done, man. It started great, went weird, got crazy. Hey, hopefully y'all seen the video of me jumping over that shit, man. Bro, that shit's gotten wild. That shit's gotten wild.
Why is he digging a hole?
So nobody else come in? He digging a hole.
Nobody else gonna make a comment.
So
like,
nobody else can come in.
He's just digging a hole and like, okay.
Oh my God,
Hey,
bro.
if they jump on top of it,
Hey,
it's gonna be fine.
you know what I'm saying? If they jump over that shit,
Look,
oh
go ahead,
my
go
God.
ahead, jump over for us.
They're
please.
done. Danny is done.
That's gonna be fine as fuck.
Bruh,
Oh
Danny
my
is
goodness.
done.
Sorry, Lord, I didn't mean to cuss. Yeah.
This shit is crazy.
Crazy.
Hey, crazy night, man. Hey, y'all better make sure y'all like the video, cause we almost died for the content. So y'all gotta like this shit. You feel me?
Like and subscribe.
You feel me? Yes, ma'am. Like and subscribe. I'ma push your ass in there. Man, I know who to blame, y'all. So, yeah, your fault.
I ain't do none of this shit.
Your fault.
I got a cam just like your ass.
You know what I'm saying?
Damn, what a dead body.
Hey, close out my vlog, bro.
Done.
That's for all the people that got mad.
Hey,
So we here on the death of Casper.
Yes,
he lived
sir.
a good life,
Hey.
you know.
I just want to let y'all know this is when Brando is going to bury his first legal pit. That nigga, Brando, first and last legal pit, bro. Appreciate you, Brando. For my nigga Brando, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, I just want, bro. I just want
We
to
live,
thank Brando for this night, dog, because it would never happen, dog.
Get out, who? He said him and the Charlie that Mo. What about my dude?
It don't matter what he said.
It cool.
I don't care what he said. Y'all clear the pit. You feel me? Y'all all clear the pit.
I'm gonna stand right here, baby. What you gonna do?
Hey,
I'm gonna stand right here. Fuck you talking about?
hey, that's a female, bro. What the fuck?
Hey, fuck you talking about? Fuck wherever you from. On BD, on OT, everything.
Oh, shit.
Exactly. Go get in your car.
No gang, but on TurboTax, nigga. Shit, god
Go crazy,
damn.
man. Go crazy.
Hey, god damn.
Let's check on my mirror. All right, yo, winner. Can we all stay out of the fucking pit? Yeah.
Everybody stay behind the bridge.
That shit now. Yeah. I'm not worried about them. I just don't want nobody fucking hurt anymore.
That's on they black ass.
Hey, they signed that paper.
There you go.
Hey, hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know